Okay, so this is how you take your headlights out of an 08 to 14 F150. So let's get into it. So you got 3 bolts you want to take out, and they're 10 millimeters. So you got this one right here, this one right here, and this one down here. And then they should come out, so let's do it. Alright, so now once you got uno, dos, and tres bolts out, now you just want to pull this thing out. Hold on. Right here, there's a little spot. Oh, and then it just pops out like that. And there you go. Now you got your headlights out. Now it looks really weird, but yeah, there's your headlights. Here's your turn signal light, your headlights, and then your brights, I think. I'm not really sure. I'm not too keen about this, but yeah, there you go. Now that is how you get your headlights out of your 2008 to 2014. All right, so make sure to like, subscribe, comment, and see you guys in the next one. Peace.